Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Happy Friday. Yes, it's Friday and y'all, it is National Body Care Weekend at Bath & Body Works. Yes, all body care, almost everything in the store that's body care considered is $4.95. Started today, it ends Sunday, and we're going to go over some of my top recommendations for this sale, as well as a few tips and tricks. Yes, so it started this morning at Bath & Body Works, $4.95. My personal opinion, okay, when it comes to some of the tips and tricks, if you can, use that coupon, baby, the 10 off of 40, or if you have a 20% off, 25% off, use it in store. They're not gonna let you use it online. You have to use the code SCORE to get the $4.95 price online. So they're not gonna let you use any type of coupons online, but get your butt in that store, baby, and you can use those coupons, which will take that price down even farther. Another tip is periodically and historically over at Bath & Body Works, on Sunday nights, they usually end up doing some type of an additional like flash sale or an additional 20% off, something along that lines, maybe free shipping. So maybe hold out until Sunday night if you really think you can hold out. I don't think a lot of these items are gonna sell out online. I think they have a really good stock for everything that people want. Now for pickup in store, they are doing BOPUS because I was able to place a BOPUS order, shockingly. And I say shockingly because I was told by a store associate last week that BOPUS would not be available Friday or Saturday, but it would on Sunday. But sure enough, I was able to place a BOPUS order today. I will be picking it up. I'll show you guys the haul tomorrow. Now, so far as my top recommendations, this body care sale, this is the time you want to grab stuff that normally never goes on sale, like the body butters, the higher price items, the shampoo and conditioner. The shower steamers is another one that I don't really ever see those on sale, but you want to go for those higher ticket price items. I mean, some of those body butters are over $20 each. So to grab them for $4.95 is an amazing deal. I say grab those up. All the new that just dropped, the Zodiac line, the Pray All Day, the wellness line, the winter mint. I definitely have some top recommendations. So with some of those, I am planning on getting the rest of the Zodiac line because I do want to test it out, rank it for you guys, let you know the dilly. I will let you know for sure with that video going up tomorrow which ones are good and which ones maybe you should bypass if you can't get in the store and you're gonna blind buy, because I got to help you out. I got to help you out, babe. Now some of my top picks, like so far as scents that I'm really loving, Vanilla Cafe. Vanilla Cafe is a beautiful, chocolatey, gourmand type of a scent with coffee. Absolutely love that one. Vanilla and Nutmeg from the aromatherapy line. I've talked about Vanilla Nutmeg many times. It is so freaking good. It has like a true authentic nutmeg flavor. Oh my God, I can... Your girl is losing it today. A true authentic nutmeg scent note to it. It's absolutely stunning. I love that one. Pray All Day. I just did a full video on a Pray All Day the other day, a whole review and comparison on it. It's a beautiful, clean, white floral. I think a lot of people who like clean florals will probably love that one. The Zodiac line, like I said, the couple I picked up the other day, 2 out of the 3 kind of were a little soft. So that's why I'm going to pick that one up. The rest of the lineup so I can let you guys know what's going on with that. But yeah, are you guys excited for Body Care Day? Let me know in the comments down below because I'm definitely excited to hear what you guys are going to get today. Are you going to shop it all in store, online? Let me know in the comments down below. But a few other recommendations I absolutely have for you guys that I want to show you guys. I highly recommend A Toast to You. A Toast to You is absolutely beautiful. It is sequin plums, berry spritz, and smooth amber. It's sweet, but smells expensive and dark at the same time, which is probably why I love it as much as I do. Another one, oh my God, Pure Wonder. Pure Wonder, you guys. They just brought her back in the newest packaging. This one does not have scent notes on it, but if memory serves me right, it's like iced rosé and something else, you guys. I'm sorry, I can't remember off the top of my head. A lot of people were talking about how Pure Wonder did not have the scent notes on the back of the bottle, which I think is so weird because that also happened with my Infinite Radiance bottle that's up there. I'm like, why do they not have the scent notes on here? But Pure Wonderful is gorgeous. Pure Wonderful. But Pure Wonder is gorgeous. Beautiful, soft, feminine, clean girl era type of a scent. Absolutely love this one. Another one that I just talked about in a video the other day, Grandma's Fruitcake. Yes, Grandma's Fruitcake. This one has golden fruitcake, warm rum, and candied fruit. Yes. I've actually been pairing this with vanilla and nutmeg, and it's been stunning. And that gingerbread one, that little one, that Ginger Delight or whatever it was, Spiced Ginger, whatever it was. You guys know what I'm talking about. The little mini one, I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called, but pairing that with this is absolutely stunning as well. And then another one I've really been loving, like y'all, I probably have this much of the bottle gone already, is Touch of Gold. Yes, Touch of Gold. This one is Bright Blackberries, Golden Orange Blossom, and Decadent Tonka. It just smells expensive, and I can definitely pick up Tonka in here, as well as that Orange Blossom, and it's a great combo. I just absolutely love this one. I've been wearing it a lot lately. I've gotten a ton of compliments on it. But yeah, those are some of my top picks for Bath & Body Works $4.95. Definitely let me know what you guys are getting. Like I said, I'm going here shortly to pick up my BOPUS order. I'm going to try to get as much filmed as possible. I also have a massive Victoria's Secret haul for Christmas that I'm going to be putting up this weekend, as well as I think my candles from Candle Day, my online order finally arrived. I have a ton of videos going up this weekend, so definitely stay tuned. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys ended up getting, or if you're waiting till Sunday, are you using coupons in the store, online? I want to know all of it, baby, all of it. And other than that, you guys, we're at my favorite part. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys, bye-bye.